Hello, hello. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Alright, it's time for some fried chicken wings and sweet potato fries. Yes, let's do it. Thumbs up, share the video, subscribe. Thank you. Let's do it. Okay, so let's fry the sweet potato fries first. Let's see if the oil is hot. It is. Okay, while they're frying, let's put some seasonings on the wings. I have 5 wing portions. I'm going to use some garlic, black pepper, granulated onion, and no salt, and some no salt sassoon. Okay, now I'm just gonna move the chicken around to try to get the seasonings on all parts. Now I'm gonna season it again, this hand. Move it around. Okay, that should be pretty seasoned. Wash my hands. Okay, I just want to turn these sweet potato fries over. Okay, so now this is all-purpose flour I have in this bag. I'm going to put the same seasonings in this bag. Oh, I don't have no more sassoon. Let me get some. And the reason why you season the flour is to make sure the seasonings that you're using don't come off. So if you don't put the seasonings in the flour, you'll lose some of the taste. Let's give that a shake. Okay, I need to take the fries out. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, let me give you a quick word of the day. Bottle up your love and then release it. Bottle up your love and then release it. Okay, so maybe your love have been in your heart for a while. You haven't released it to anyone. You're afraid to open up and let others come in, open up and love others. Maybe it's time. Because when you keep your love within you, nobody feels it. When you release it, they feel the love and you feel it back. Unbottle your love, will you? That's the word of the day. Okay, let's turn our chicken one last time. We want to cook chicken until the temperature is 165. Okay, I'm going to give that another minute and then I think I'm going to test it. Make sure it's at 165. You should get a thermometer so that you can test your meat. So poultry is $1.65. And you put it in the thickest pot that you have. Okay, we're past 165. We're good. So we're in one more. Yeah, we're past 165, so we're done. I'm going to take the chicken out. That's what we're looking like. I'm going to plate it up and present it to you. Okay, and I want to let you see the presentation. Okay, sweet potato fries and fried chicken wings. Alright, let me taste. Okay, so let's take a taste. Sweet potato fry. Nice and crispy. Chicken wing. I love chicken wings, and that one will definitely work. Okay guys, that's all good, all good. Thumbs up, share the videos, talk to you next time, okay? Thanks for hanging around.